Hey everyone, and welcome to Chandrini Yoga. My name is Lara, and if as of lately you have been feeling like your eyes are tired, your eyes are dry, or that your vision is not what it used to be, this video is for you. Our vision can degrade not only because of our age, but also because of our daily patterns. So, for example, if you spend a lot of time staring into screens, reading, doing close work, your eyes will get used to that pattern and will begin to stiffen around it, just like any other muscle in your body would do. The good news is that you can reverse that. You can work on your eyes, you can recover their natural flexibility. So in this video, I will teach you two different types of eye exercises that you can do in order to get your eyes moving, break out of any patterns that have been built, relax, restore their flexibility, and in return, benefit your vision. Let's get started with exercise number 1, which is eye movements and rotations. And we will begin by sitting upright on the floor or on a chair. Find some place that you can sit that feels comfortable so that you don't need to keep moving around. And we'll sit with our spine straight and the neck in line with the spine. We will start with upward and downward movements with the eyes. So we will be looking up and down without moving the head at all. The neck stays in line with the spine. Your head stays where it is, and we move just the eyes. Let's do 5 rounds together. Looking up and down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up and down. And bring your gaze back to center. We will now move the eyes to the right and left. Again, just the eyes, the head does not follow. Let's look to the right, to the left. 4 more rounds to the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and back to center. And here I would like to introduce the technique called palming or cupping, where we will rub our hands together until we build a considerable amount of heat. So really get in there, rub the hands until your palms feel warm. And then we will close the eyes and bring our warm palms onto the eyes, cupping the eyes. And allow yourself to feel the warmth. Allow your eyes to absorb the heat. And allow yourself to feel relaxed and enjoy the stillness in this moment. It's very important for the eyes not only to break out of the usual patterns, you can release your palms now, but also to relax. Relaxation is most important, and a good way to relax the eyes is to allow them to get a break from the constant stress of light. So going into a dark room for a little bit, cupping your eyes are all wonderful things to allow them to relax and take a break from all the intense use that we make of them every day. We're going to move the eyes a little bit more, and now we're going to do diagonal movements. So we will be looking at the upper right corner and down left corner. So upper right corner and lower right corner. If this feels a little bit confusing in the beginning, you can take your hands, maybe place your thumbs up, and place your right hand at the upper right corner in front of you, and the left hand at the lower right corner in front of you. And all you have to do is to actually look at your thumbs without moving the head. So right corner, bottom left corner, upper right corner, bottom left corner. 3 more. Upper right, bottom left, upper right, bottom left, upper right, bottom left. And we're going to switch. The right hand goes down to the bottom right corner, the left hand up to the upper left corner. If you can do this without the hands, especially if you're already used to this, you don't need the hands at all. This is just for reference. Make sure, of course, that your thumbs are within your field of vision. And let's do this side. Let's do 5 rounds. We begin looking at the upper left corner, bottom right, upper left, bottom right, upper left, bottom right, upper left, bottom right, upper left, and bottom right. I'm not sure if we did 4 or 5. Let's do one more. Upper left and bottom right. And come back to center. Now we're going to do once again movement to the left and right, but now we're going to bring our extended arms to the sides. The arms are shoulder height, thumbs are still up, and find your field of vision. So you can start somewhere here, bring your arms slightly to the front, look at your right thumb and your left, okay. See if they are within your field of vision. If they are, maybe open the arms a little bit more and see if the thumbs are still within your field of vision. Can you see your thumbs? If that's the case, open a little bit more. So find your limit and we will be looking at the thumbs. 5 rounds. Looking at the right thumb, left thumb, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Coming to center, let's cup the eyes. Feel some heat, rubbing the palms together. Close the eyes and cup them. Breathe here. Let's maybe release the hands and open the eyes. We'll do full rotations now. So imagine a clock. Imagine that you're looking up at 12 o'clock and we'll rotate all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It can be trickier than it looks. Take your time. It doesn't have to be fast. It's better that you take a little longer, but you actually do a full circle. We will do 5 rounds, starting with one side, going to the right, and then 5 rounds to the left. On your own time, you can do as many rounds as you want. You can practice usually 10 rounds for each exercise that we have seen so far. So take this for reference and do as many as you need. Let's do full rotations, looking up. And we are going to the right, all the way. 2, 3, 4, And we'll change sides to the left. 2. 3. 4. 5. Come back to the center. Let's cup the eyes once again. Feel some heat. Close the eyes. Bring your palms on the eyes. And release. I would like to move on now to a different type of exercise that is based on shifting the gaze. This is especially about breaking the old patterns. The organs of the eye usually become locked in place when we repeat the same pattern over and over again. So if we're staring at screens, if we're reading a lot, if we are doing a lot of close work, your eye gets used to focusing on things that are close to you and not in things that are distant, that are far away from you. So what we're going to practice is focusing in things both far away and close to us in order to gain back that flexibility of the eye to focus on things and adjust to what is needed at every moment. We will start with a simple exercise of shifting the gaze between your thumb and a point in the distance. We're going to take our hand, thumbs up, and extend the arm in front of you. Doesn't have to be very far, wherever feels good for you. Or you can choose to look at something that is about an arm distance in front of you. So you can look at your thumb for 5 seconds. And then you're going to look at some point in the distance, something far away from you. Let's do 5 rounds together. Looking at the thumb, focus on that thumb. And now look at a point far away, shift the gaze. Shift the gaze back to the thumb. Shift the gaze far away. Shift the gaze. Shift the gaze. Shift the gaze to the thumb. Far away. Thumb last time. Far away. And maybe release. Your arm may get tired, so it's always fine to place something in front of you. If you're in front of a table, just place something about an arm distance from you and look at that. That's okay as well. And now we're going to do a similar exercise, again using our thumb and our arm, where we are actually going to be moving. So we are again going to take our thumb and extend the arm in front of us. We're going to look at the thumb and gradually move it towards ourselves. We're still looking at the thumb. So your eyes will be adjusting to a closer distance. Move your thumb towards your nose. And then move it again away, extending the arm. So your eye continues to focus on the thumb as you move away. Let's do 5 rounds together. Let's begin by bringing the arm in. Focus on the thumb. As close to your nose as you can. If it feels uncomfortable, don't come too close. and extend the arm again. Coming in. Moving away. Come back in. Away. In. Away. In, last time. And away. Extend the arm all the way out. And let's cup our eyes one last time. Build some heat. Close the eyes and bring the palms on top. Breathe here. And release. And that's it. I hope that these simple exercises will help you take better care of your eyes and that you will begin to feel better. If you enjoyed this video and these practices, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel so that we can continue to practice together. Thank you very much and see you again.